Bottle of mineral water, you simply can't do without it, especially with the temperatures rising everywhere. They're cheap, you can get them at any shop, and after a tough day of wandering around, it tastes extra special. But what's the cost of bottled water? And I'm not talking about the price tag, I'm talking about the cost to the environment. We know the bottles are single-use plastics. You drink and dump them. They don't contain natural minerals either. Most of it is added at a factory. The companies may have advertisements with waterfalls and forest streams, but that's not where bottled water comes from. It's a factory product, which means there is a cost to the environment. Thanks to a new study in Barcelona, we know what that cost is. The impact of bottled water on the ecosystem is 1,400 times the impact of tap water. Let me put it differently. Assume that everyone in Barcelona drank only bottled water, no tap water. Then the cost of resource extraction would be 3,500 times higher. In money terms, that's almost $84 million per year. And remember, this is for one city of 1.6 million people. Imagine the global scale. The obvious question here is, isn't tap water unhealthy for us? Well, broadly speaking, it is, yes. Treated tap water contains a compound called THM, that's trihalomethanes. There is scientific evidence that THM causes bladder cancer. So why should you keep drinking it? For starters, authorities regulate the THM levels in your water. Plus, by abandoning bottled water, you create a better environment. The researchers in Barcelona say this offsets the risk of bladder cancer. I know it sounds complicated, so let me try again. Well, most people drink bottled water because they think it is healthy. But producing bottled water is a nightmare for the environment. So what you're gaining by drinking bottled water, you're losing because the environment is now more toxic. It's a bit of a zero-sum game. Take the US, for example. The bottled water industry uses 17 million barrels of oil. You can't make plastic without petroleum, which means more smoke, more fumes, more pollution. In Britain, bottled water is 500 times more expensive than tap water. So why do people keep stacking bottles? Because companies say it's good. Have you seen the kind of ads they make? Here in India, it seems that every bottle of water comes straight from the Himalayas or right from where the glaciers melt. They say it's packed with minerals and goodness. What about the marketing on the other side? Well, there is none. No government is marketing tap water. There's nothing attractive or special about it. But maybe it's time for a marketing counter-offensive. The second step is providing clean water. In most countries, tap water is a one-way ticket to the hospital. That must change. Recently, the city of Puri in India declared that its tap water is safe to drink, the first one in 75 years in this country. The central government has made this a national mission. It's one of the priorities of the new Jal Shakti ministry. Once the taps are in and clean water is connected, the marketing can begin. And that's where we, the people, come in. We're all guilty of splurging on bottled water, especially when we are traveling. Carrying our own water is considered too difficult. Well, that attitude is hurting the environment.